Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Puzzle, May 5, 2024. 4 star Sudoku. Column D. We have 3, 6, 4. It will come from these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade. 3 numbers are remaining 2, 9, 5. 9th row and 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. There are only 2 numbers are remaining. 8th grade. 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column D. Only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column F, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 5. First row and second row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 7, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 5. 6th row we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 4th row we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E and 5th grade, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column H and 6th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 8, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade and 9th row, 8th row, we have 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, first row, third row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Third row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come this. 9 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. 9th row, column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 7, 8, 9. Third row we have 7 and 9. So now 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Third row we have 8, so it can't come this 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 1. Column I, column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row, column C, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column B, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 1, 2. 8th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column A we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 3 also here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column A we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column A, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7, 6. It will come in one of these cells. 7th grade we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 7th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 3. 8th row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column B we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column C we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. First grade, column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. First row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. First row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 8, 2nd grade, column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Second row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 3rd grade, column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. First row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.